Sitting Karnataka BJP MP, if you remember, from Uttara Kannada, Vishveshwara Kageri triggered a political row after saying Jana Gana Mana was originally written to welcome British officials and that Vande Mataram should have been chosen as India's national anthem instead. Now, Congress Minister of State in Karnataka, Priyank Kharge, I beg your pardon, has slammed it as a WhatsApp history lesson, calling the demand pointless.
See, the problem with Mr. Kageri, the BJP and the RSS is that they like to dwell in alternate history that has been created by themselves. Problem with the BJP and RSS is they don't bother reading their own history. How anti-national you have been throughout history. You have never respected our flag, you have never respected our constitution, nor have you ever respected our national anthem. This is your history. They need to learn that. They need to stop for focusing on WhatsApp forwards and actually read RSS editorials, RSS organizer magazines to understand their history better.
ನಾನು ಇತಿಹಾಸವನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆದಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಕೂಗು ಬಲವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಜರು ವಂದೇ ಮಾತರಂ ಇರಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಜನಗಳು.
Deepak Bopanna now joins me live. Deepak, I found it highly interesting that Kharge of all people is telling the BJP to read the RSS manual and the history in terms of the scripts by the RSS there, known his history with the RSS in the past. But on a more serious note, there is an anthem row that has emerged. Are we going to see this blowing up into a huge political row in Karnataka?
Well, we've seen multiple Congress leaders. We've just heard Mr. Priyank Kharge, Santosh Lad and several others who've slammed Mr. Kageri over his recent statements. He was speaking in Hornavara. It was a Ekta Divas rally where he was speaking about how Vande Mataram should be sung in schools and colleges and given the prominence that it deserves, according to him. And he says that as far as Jana Gana Mana is concerned, it was just composed to welcome the British, is what he goes on to say. This is, of course, being vehemently opposed and rebutted by the Congress party, including Mr. Priyank Kharge, who go on to say that this shows the mindset of the RSS and the BJP leaders trying to undermine even the national anthem. So definitely, you could see this escalate. We'll really have to see whether any other BJP leader in the state of Karnataka will come to the defense of Mr. Kageri over a statement like this.